Hi, I'm Stephen Sicking. I'm the Director of Sales and Marketing and I'm the Managing Partner here at the Eden Resort and Suites. The hotel's a real unique property in that it has something that appeals to everyone. If you're a family coming here to Lancaster, our recreational activities, the outdoor pool and kids spray park and the indoor pools, game rooms. If you're adults traveling to Lancaster, and we have some great restaurants, a great lounge, and just behind me here in Garfield's is our fountain area where you can get almost any drink your heart desires. Our guest rooms, we have everything from your deluxe standard guest room to a 1,300 square foot, 2-story, 3-bedroom villa, and everything in between. The hotel's got 284 rooms, half of which are 2-room suites.